5. Lesson 1. Streamlined configuration. Streamlined configuration. Lesson overview. This lesson describes the IMG implementation guide, organization for GRC 10.0, including shared configuration and product specific configuration. Lesson objectives. After completing this lesson, you will be able to describe the IMG organization for GRC 10.0, identify basic and common customizing tasks for access control, process control and risk management, access IMG customizing documentation. Business example. In prior releases, configuration of process control and risk management were separate IMG activities with some overlap. Prior access control releases did not provide configuration using the IMG. To streamline configuration, the GRC 10.0 solutions, IMG identifies activities which are shared among multiple products. IMG organization for GRC 10.0 figure 109. On the left is an example of collapsed activities in the IMG for process control and risk management 3.0. In this IMG structure, if you implemented both products, you would have to do some similar activities twice. That is once for each product. On the right side is an example of partially collapsed activities for GRC 10.0 solutions. Activities that relate to more than one product are configured in one place because some functions are now shared with multiple applications in GRC. The new IMG structure provides a clear picture about common customizing activities and application specific ones. Customizing IMG structure for GRC 10.0. Basic and common customizing, access control specific customizing, process control specific customizing, risk management specific customizing. Basic and common customizing for access control, process control and risk management. Basic and common customizing tasks. To access the IMG, first log into the ABAP client for GRC 10.0, then execute transaction SPRO. Click SAP reference IMG to view the IMG modes and customizing activities. From here, you can configure general settings as needed for access control, process control or risk management, shared master data settings, reporting, common component settings for those components in use, prerequisites before beginning the functional implementation. 1. Complete technical setup. 2. Activate applicable BC sets based upon customer requirements. 3. Obtain the authorization roles necessary for access to the IMG. Note: only activate the time frame related BC sets if the customer is on a calendar year, because January to December is delivered in the BC set. Some IMG activities are only needed if you would like to change the delivered structure or behavior of the system. Look at the help icon to the left of each task for in-depth instructions in the IMG. Product specific customizing for access control, process control and risk management. Configuring product specific IMG nodes. After basic and common customizing, configure the product specific IMG nodes for licensed products to be implemented. If some products are licensed but not yet to be implemented, there is no need to configure them. IMG customizing documentation. Documentation for IMG customizing is contained within the IMG itself. IMG customizing is performed by users assigned the following roles: SAP _GRAC setup for AC, SAP _GRC SPC customizing for PC, SAP _GRC RM customizing for RM.